Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. I am going to be doing a layout for these two little boys today, and I'm going to do another one tomorrow using the same papers, the same type of embellishments, but two very separate different types of layouts. So stick around, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. The paper that I'm going to be using today is from this little collection that says this little boy collection from Echo Park. Or is it Carta Bella? Carta Bella, from Carta Bella. Carta Bella's some beautiful paper. Love it. So we're going to use this kit. And I'm using Echo Park sticker books. One of them is Little Dreamer, and the other one is Play All Day. I will list these down below if they're available. The picture I'm using is this one here, them sitting in a basket. I'm also using this one here with all these different toys. And I'm using this star, cross, or X, or whatever it is, paper. So on this particular layout, I am going to be putting this one here on this side. And I'm going to be putting this one. Sometimes it's hard to choose which paper to use because both sides are usually really pretty. But in this section, this one, I'm going to be using this one. It's a busy paper, but I like it. Wait till you see the next layout I'm going to be doing, because it's going to be a little busier, but it's going to be great. All right. So in these Echo Park books that I have, I got these two little 6-inch strips. I like the fact that they're narrow, and I'm going to use those right over here. So let me put these on real quick. It's actually raining a little bit out today, which is good because we've had so many brush fires around. And that's not something we usually have a lot of, but we've been getting a lot of brush fires here lately. So that'll be a relief for a lot of the firefighters around. Now I could cut this off, but I think what I'm going to do is just, well, you know, I'll cut it. I won't be lazy. Fine. I'll cut it off. You know, sometimes you just want to be lazy and just do the shortcut. But I am going to put it over here, just one, just so that it's, you know, you don't see that seam as much. I'm going to cut that end off. Who knows? I could use that for something else. Okay. So that's going to be my paper layout. And I'm going to use the same paper, which is one of these embellishing card things that you can get. And I'm going to put this one on here. Like that. And I am going to put this one on here, right in about the center of this thing. Like that. Now let's embellish it. All right. First thing I'm going to do is I have this thing that says best friend, and I'm going to put it up on the top of the picture. These guys are best friends, but just like any brothers, they can argue too. They are so different. It's a lot of fun though having twins. All right, so I'm going to put this down here. But I'm wondering if I want to put something underneath it. I'm not sure I do. I could put I have a football here. I don't know that it needs it. I also have baseballs. I could, especially if I turn them around right. No, I don't think so. I think it's just like this. But I am going to put this up a little bit on foam tape. Well, I'm throwing things all over the place. Do you guys have a black hole underneath your desk? I drop something and I swear it just disappears. It just doesn't show up. It's just gone. I cannot be the only one who's got a black hole underneath their desk. These are the best things I ever made myself. I use these all the time. And it's just a mechanical pencil. And you take the lead out and you put a needle inside of it, like a sewing needle. And then you're able to get this off, especially if you grab the paper and not the sticker part of it. And then I'm going to put this right there. Decision made. All right, so up at the top, I'm going to turn my book around here, my paper around here a little bit, as I get glue all over me. I am going to put, I have a helicopter is what it's called. And I'm going to put it up on the top here. And behind it, I have this sign that says Best of Friends. See, what did I do with that? There it is on the side of me. I'll put it up a little bit on this one here, just so that it's up a little bit, because it's going to be almost like this helicopter is pulling the sign behind it. And like that. Doesn't that look cute? Now let's embellish this area right here. I have a lot of stuff over here, but I have this like go-kart kind of thing. And I'm going to make a decision and just put it down. I'm not going to question myself. I'm just going to do it. And then I have this, I don't know, it's front loader or whatever it is here. It's add a little color to it here. And then I have an airplane, an old-fashioned airplane that I'm going to put there. Now see, that looks cute. Does it need anything else? I don't know. I got these little baseballs. This little one, I think I'm going to give this one to David. He does like baseballs, but I don't know that it needs anything else. I have a lot of other things over here. I have some Legos. Lego. I don't think so. I'm going to put journaling on the back here. And I'm going to do the journaling here later on. But that's my layout. It's cute, simple. But it's simple, but it's embellished. I love the way it turned out. Get in here tomorrow because I have another one with the same paper. Totally different layout. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.